everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. Do you feel that your old iPad system is too outdated, often crashes or freezes, or do you want to upgrade to a new version to experience more features? If it's the former, you can try clearing memory or checking the network. If you want to upgrade the old iPad system, I will teach you how to solve it. Let's begin. Method 1. Download the public beta version. Before the official version is rolled out, you can participate in the public beta. To do this, open Safari on your iPad, visit beta.apple.com, sign in with your Apple ID, select iPad OS, scroll down here, tap Enroll your iPad, achieve a backup if you want, then tap on Download Profile. After accepting the terms, close the prompt. Next, navigate to Settings, under your account name, top Profile, download it, go ahead and install it, restart your iPad when prompted, then head to Settings. General Software Update. Your iPad will start checking for update. Here we go. Now you can download and install iPad OS public data on your iPad. If the update is not yet available, proceed to the next method. Method 2. Force restart iPad. If your update interface does not display, sometimes a simple restart can solve many problems. For older iPods, just press and hold the top power button and the home button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Then release and wait for a force restart. After restarting and returning to the settings page, you will find that it has returned to normal. If this method does not work, you can use a computer to operate.
Method 3. Update using iTunes.
For iPad with home button, first you need to connect the iPad to the computer with a data cable. Then press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. When this screen pops up, you enter recovery mode. Then open iTunes. It will prompt you to choose to update or restore. Here we select Update, follow the prompts. iTunes will automatically download and install the latest iOS version while retaining your data. You just need to wait patiently for the iTunes update to complete. Method 4. Using UltFone iOS system repair. If iTunes is experiencing issues, UltFone iOS system repair is a recommended alternative. With just one click, you can resolve this issue using UltFone iOS system repair, which can also fix over 150 iOS system problems. Please check the download link in the description below for installation. Then connect your phone to a PC or Mac. Then press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black and the recovery mode appears. After that, UltFone will recognize your iPhone, click the green Start button, choose the standard repair option to keep your data, then download the corresponding firmware.
Once the download is complete, click Start to proceed to the final step. This process takes about 10 minutes to complete.
After the repair is completed, your iPad will restart. In the settings, you will see that your iPad has successfully updated its system. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.